This section examines engine and transmission configurations. An engine can be located at the front, middle, or rear of a vehicle. An engine located at the front can be mounted longitudinally and can drive either the front or the rear wheels. In four-wheel drive applications, it can drive both the front and rear wheels. Alternatively, the engine can be transverse and drive either the front wheels only, or in four-wheel drive applications, the front and rear wheels. Mid-engine vehicles have the engine in front of the rear wheels. The engine can be transverse or longitudinal and usually drives the rear wheels only. Rear-engine vehicles have the engine mounted behind the rear wheels. The engine can be transverse or longitudinal and usually drives the rear wheels only. The drivetrain transfers turning effort from the engine to the driving wheels. A drivetrain can include a clutch for manual transmission or a torque converter for automatic transmission. A transmission, a drive shaft, final drive, and differential gears, and driving axles. Alternatively, a transaxle may be used. A transaxle is a self-contained unit with the transmission, final drive gears, and differential located in one casing. It is usually used on front-engined, front-wheel drive vehicles or rear-engined, rear-wheel drive vehicles. It can also be used on front-engine, rear-wheel drive vehicles connected to the engine by a propeller shaft.